of all blessings, the source of our lives, will continue to bless our sisters who became active in laying down her life, no, in order to serve this church and its fathers. Whatever intentions she has right now, Lord, continue to use them and to use her as an instrument of your blessings. Give her strength physically, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. Lord, grant all her petitions or insulting to your will. At ngayon, bigyan mo siya ng mabuting kalusugan for her to become an effective servant to your kingdom, to proclaim and to heal your people. Our Father, who art in heaven,
Thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Thank you,